Hello everyone, welcome to my education channel. This is the grammar section part 2 and today we are going to learn voice. This video I will show you changing active voice into passive voice. So let's get started. First of all, we have to see types of voice. It has two types, active voice and passive voice. Structure of active voice is subject plus verb plus object. We talk with active voice in our regular life. In passive voice, we use object plus helping verb plus past participle of verb plus by plus subject. In writing news headlines, report writing, we make use of this passive voice. Now we have to see how does pronouns as subject in active voice and its changes in passive voice. First of all, I, it changed into me. Then he, him, she, her, they, them, we become as, us. Let us see types of tense and its changes into active to passive voice. Structure given here. First one is simple present tense. Its structure is while changing into active to passive. That is object plus am is are. These are helping verb. Then past participle. Then by plus subject. Next types of tense is present continuous tense. In present continuous tense, we use continuation of the verb, means the action is continuously going on. So here object plus am is are plus being plus past participle of the verb plus by plus subject. Then next type of tense is present perfect tense. Object plus have, has plus been we have to use here. Then past participle of verb, then by plus subject. Same happen with simple past tense, past continuous tense and past perfect tense. Again here with simple future tense, future continuous tense and future perfect tense. While observing all this, you will get to know that in passive voice, object plays important role. Then helping verb that we have to use according to the types of tense, then past participle, then by plus subject. Next come to types of tense, sentence in active voice and its change into passive voice. First one example given here with simple present tense. She brings books in the class. Here subject is she, verb brings and object is books. So we have to change into active to passive. In passive voice already we have seen object comes first. So books, then helping verb are, then past participle of the verb brought, by plus subject. She turns into her. Then the leftover part of the sentence, that is in the class. Next type of sentence is present continuous tense. She is bringing books in the class. Same with object comes first, that is books, then helping verb are plus being plus past participle of the verb brought, by plus subject, that is her, and next, that is in the class. Then present perfect tense. She has brought books in the class. Object comes first, books, then have, been, past participle of verb, that is brought, by plus subject. Next come to past simple past tense. She brought books in the class. Object books, where helping verb, brought, main verbs, past participle, by plus subject. Then past continuous tense. She was bringing books in the class. Same here, books, object, helping verb where, ing form, so being used here, then brought, past participle of verb, then by plus subject. Next, past perfect tense. She had brought books in the class. Object come first, so books, then had, been, past participle of verb brought, by plus subject. In future tense, she will bring books in the class. Object books will be, then past participle of verb that is brought by plus subject. She will be bringing books in the class. It is future continuous tense. Again here, object books will be being, that is continuation of the tense, then past participle of verb brought by plus subject. In future perfect tense, she will have brought books in the class. Its passive voice is object books, then will have been, then past participle of verb brought by plus subject. Here we have seen types of tense and its changes into active to passive voice. So you will get idea about its structure and the given example. Next we have to see active to passive voice with modal auxiliaries. For this, first we have to see what modal verbs we majorly use. For example, will, shall, would, should, can, could, may, might and must. These modal verbs we use. Next, passive voice structure for these modal auxiliaries. What is structure of passive voice for these modal auxiliaries? Again same, in passive voice object comes first. So object, then that modal auxiliary you have used in the sentence, then be plus past participle of verb, then at last same with the simple sentences, that is by plus subject. Few examples I have given here in active voice and its change into passive voice. First see here, I will bake a cake. Modal verb here used, that is will. Again in passive voice object come first, so a cake, modal auxiliary that is will be past participle of the verb that is bake by subject that is by being. Next is I will bake cakes. Object cakes, modal auxiliary would be past participle plus by subject. Next third example, one could watch the world go by. Object the world, modal auxiliary would be past participle watched by subject 1. Next sentence, they must do something heroic. Here object something heroic, modal auxiliary must be past participle that is done by plus subject. Here we have seen passive voice structure of modal auxiliaries with given examples. Next, last one given here, that is they may play the game. Object the game, modal auxiliary may be past participle of the verb that is played by plus subject. In this way, you will get an idea about active to passive voice with modal. Next upon type of sentence, that is imperative sentence and its structure into active to passive voice. In imperative sentence, we majorly give order, request to someone. So while changing into active to passive, structure we use of imperative sentences, that is let plus object plus be past participle of verb plus by plus subject. In imperative sentences, we have to use let while changing into active to passive voice. Let us see example. First one, send us your contribution. Start with let, then object your contribution, be past participle of verb, that is send, by plus subject. In imperative sentences, you will get observe that first importance given to verb. Let us see second example. Close the door. Start with let, then object the door, be past participle of verb close. Next one, post the letters. Start with let, object the letters, be past participle of verb, that is posted. Next example, start a waste segregation system. Let plus object a waste segregation system, be past participle of verb, that is started. In the video, we have seen use of voice in different types of sentences, also in different types of tense. Here we will get idea about it. I hope you might have observed all this. One thing you have to do, because you have spent your time while watching this video, that is revise these sentences again and do observe headlines of news report, then report writings. There you will get idea about passive voice. How does object plays important role in passive voice? Thank you for watching this video. I will come back soon with my another video.